Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to make a homemade air conditioner. 1. You need an ice pack. 2. You need a subwoofer. Put the ice pack over the subwoofer and play some bass. Homemade air conditioner. Boom! That's how you do things around here. Need an air conditioner, get an ice pack and a subwoofer. And it's actually putting out pleasant cold air. And watch this, guys. All you need to do to keep that thing up is get a pair of scissors, put it through the ice pack, like that, and weigh the scissors down. Something. Don't know what. Check it out. Now we have a homemade air conditioner.